Hi there, this is Gabriel from Boto.io, and in this video I will show you how to build a bot to get sales stats of your favorite NFT collection, pulling data from Icy.tools. So in the end result, you should get something like this. So messages with the number of sales that were done in a certain period, like 7 days. You'll choose your collection, and you also get data like the volume, sales ceiling, sales average, and that's it. So let's get started. So let's start by going to Boto.io and then going to the Botoverse. So the Botoverse, in the Botoverse, you can find all the recipes that are created by our community. So here, let's type IC tools, and let's pick this recipe right here. Click on use recipe. And if you didn't land on this page directly, just create your account, then you'll land here directly after. So let's start by understanding what we have in front of us. So in the left here, this block is the IC2 block, and it pulls data from IC tools. And this right one here, the Discord, sends a message to Discord. Okay. So let's start by setting up the left block. And we need here to put the collection address. So for that, I'll go to Icy.tools. And for example, here, I will take a look at the Fat Red Mafia. And in this page, this address right here is the address that we're looking for. So we just copy that, go back to our bot, and paste it there. You might get this address from other sources, for example, in OpenSea, in Etherscan, it doesn't matter, as long as you have the address of the collection, okay? So this next field here is the time period for which the stats will be obtained, will be calculated. So for example, here in this example, the stats were calculated for the previous 7 days. So when the bot runs, it will look for the previous 7 days and look how many sales were done, or and how much volume was transacted in that period of 7 days. Okay, so let's go back there. You can choose whatever period you want here, and then next you have to choose the channel to which you will send this message. Okay, if you don't have any option here, what you will do is just click here in this button and follow these steps here to add Boto to your server, and then authorize Boto to send a message to your channel. And once that is done, just click here to refresh the list, and you should pick your channel there. Okay, so I'll pick the channel to which I'll send it here. So the sandbox one. You can do a small test, a simple test. Just click there, test this block. This will send a test message to the channel that you have configured. So here, so you see that it doesn't send actual data, it just sends a kind of a template message, but it shows that it works, the connection between Discord block here and your Discord channel. Then the next step is to choose at the frequency that you want your bot to run. So for example, I want my bot to send message every 3 hours. So great. Then I just save it and turn it on. So that's it. As simple as that. We already got a message, the very first message. That's it. So if ever you want to customize your bot or add other tags, other data to your message, or customize your message, just click there on the message field and do as you please. Yeah. Hello world. Then save it again. And in the next message, it will take into account your changes. So that's it. If you like this bot, if you like this recipe, please like this video, hit subscribe, and take a look at our Botoverse to search for other recipes that might interest you. So see you around. Bye bye.